friends. Welcome to A English. I am Lucy.
And I am Brian.
Today, we talk about the beauty salon and the barbershop.
Yes, I need a haircut. My hair is too long.
Same for many people. Today, we learn easy words, slow and clear.
Good. I am ready.
First, let us talk about the beauty salon.
Beauty salon.
A beauty salon is a place for hair, nails, and skin.
People go there to look nice.
Yes, you can say, I want to go to the beauty salon.
I want to go to the beauty salon.
Listen, friends, please repeat beauty salon.
Beauty salon.
Good. Now repeat, I want a haircut.
I want a haircut.
At a beauty salon, you can get a haircut. You can also get hair color.
Hair color.
You can get your nails done.
Nails done.
And you can get a face treatment.
Face treatment.
Many things, but today we talk mostly about hair.
Yes. Hair is easy. Hair is simple.
Now, let us make a small dialogue.
Okay.
Hello, I want to cut my hair, please.
Hello, I want to cut my hair, please.
Can you make it short?
Can you make it short?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, your turn. Say, I want to cut my hair.
They can do it.
I hope so. Say it again. I want to cut my hair.
Lucy, sometimes people say trim.
Yes, trim means a small cut.
So, I want a trim.
Good sentence.
And bangs?
Bangs are short hair in the front.
Many people like bangs.
Yes, many people. Now let's move to the barber shop.
Men go there a lot.
Yes, a barber shop is for haircuts, beard trim, and shaving.
Barber shop.
Please repeat, friends. Barber shop.
Barber shop.
At the barber shop, you can say, I want a shortcut.
I want a shortcut.
Or, please cut the sides.
Please cut the sides.
Or, please shave my beard.
Please shave my beard.
Let us make another small dialogue.
Okay.
Hello, I want a haircut.
Hello, I want a haircut.
Short on the sides, please.
Short on the sides, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, your turn. Say, short on the sides, please.
Yes, try it.
Good job.
Lucy, what if someone wants a hair wash?
Easy. Say, can you wash my hair?
Can you wash my hair?
Yes, simple and clear.
And if someone wants style?
Can you style my hair?
Can you style my hair?
Now let us talk about questions.
Yes, questions help a lot.
You can ask, how long will it take?
How long will it take?
You can ask, how much is it?
How much is it?
Very important question.
Very important. My wallet is small.
Yes, same for many people. Friends, repeat. How much is it?
How much is it?
Good. And now, how long will it take?
How long will it take?
Let us make one more practice dialogue.
Okay.
Hello, I want a trim.
Hello, I want a trim.
Can you wash my hair too?
Can you wash my hair too?
How much is it?
How much is it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, your turn again. Say, I want a trim.
They can do it.
Yes. One more time. I want a trim.
Sometimes people want to book a time. Yes, you can say, I want to make an appointment.
I want to make an appointment.
Or, do you have time today?
Do you have time today?
And what time is good?
What time is good?
Let us practice an appointment short dialogue.
Yes.
Hello, I want to make an appointment.
Hello, I want to make an appointment.
Do you have time today?
Do you have time today?
What time is good?
What time is good?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, now you practice. Say, do you have time today?
Practice helps.
Say it again, friends. Do you have time today? Now, let us review all words and sentences.
Yes, review time.
Beauty salon.
Beauty salon.
I want to cut my hair.
I want to cut my hair.
I want a trim.
I want a trim.
Can you wash my hair?
Can you wash my hair?
Barber shop.
Barber shop.
Short on the sides, please.
Short on the sides, please.
How much is it?
How much is it?
I want to make an appointment.
I want to make an appointment.
Great job today.
Yes, friends, you did well.
Thank you for listening to I.
Thank you.
See you next time.
And don't forget to follow the podcast for more lessons. See you soon.